Last year we won the Law Society a Medium-Sized Law Firm of the Year award. The judges were impressed about a number of things of the firm, but one of the things that they were impressed about is our use of technology. We've invested heavily over the years in technology, and my co-director Alan Larkin literally works exclusively on creating tools and technology that will assist us as the family lawyer and to assist you as the client. That's important on a number of levels for you. You want to make sure we've got as much information as possible so that we can help you as quickly as possible. You want to make sure that that's produced in a cost-effective way. You don't have to be charged to give information to us as lawyers. You need to ensure that it's complete and accurate, because if we don't have all that information, we can't help you, we can't give you specific and tailored advice. And we also want to make sure that we try and bridge the gap between those parts of society who really don't think that they can access a lawyer because of the cost, and the legal profession. So many people who need advice on a family law issue are not getting advice, and so we want to try and assist in relation to the access to justice point. Engage is a web-based application that Alan's developed. It came to him in the middle of the night when he was asked to assist a client, and he was trying to find a way of making sure it was much more process-driven, so that steps could be taken in a much more constructive way, so that we as the lawyers can get that information much quicker to help you, the client. So Engage is a form that you complete. It will take you about an hour and a half to complete. It's in your own time, at your own space. You'll have all that information around you that you need to access. When we receive it, I read the form and it sits with me, it percolates. And once it's sat and percolated, then it might be a couple of days later that I see you. And when I see you, I will reread it again. But it's there being percolating through my unconscious, so that when we sit down, I've been thinking about your case. That's my investment in the meeting. I'll think about it. I'll think of the questions that I need to ask you. I'll think about how we can progress matters. But most importantly, I'll think about how we can put you first to get the best outcome for you. So that's why we use Engage. That's why we think you should use it. It's free to use, and it should be available to everybody.